If you've ever wanted to download a GIF from x.com, formerly known as Twitter, this video is going to show you the simplest way to do it step by step. A lot of people see a GIF on X and assume there's no easy way to save it, but there is a quick workaround using a reliable online converter. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to copy the post link, paste it into the right tool, and download the GIF to your device in just a few moments. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com in your browser or app and find the post that contains the GIF you want to download. Scroll through your feed, search for the account, or use the post link if you already have it. Once you've located the GIF post, look just below the tweet for the share icon. Depending on your device, this may appear as an up arrow or a share symbol. Tap or click that icon to open the sharing options. From the menu that appears, select Copy Link. This copies the direct URL to the post, which is what we'll need for the download process. Now open in a new tab in your web browser and go to a reliable online converter designed for X or Twitter media downloads. There are several tools available online, so choose one that looks clean, trusted, and easy to use. Once the site loads, find the URL box on the page. Click inside the box and paste the copied X post link. After that, look for the download button and click it. The converter will process the link and generate the available media file for you. In many cases, the GIF may download as a video file such as MP4, which is normal because GIFs on X are often stored that way behind the scenes. Once the file is ready, select the quality or format if the site gives you options, then save the file to your phone, tablet, or computer. After the download completes, open your downloads folder or gallery to confirm the GIF has been saved correctly. If needed, you can rename the file for easier organization later. And that's it. You've now learned how to download GIFs from x.com or Twitter using a quick copy link and converter method. It only takes a minute once you know the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below if you want a video on downloading other types of media from X as well.